Hello guys, Ninja character this time. Started with a fantasy option, and then I move on to more dynamic shape. I quite like the movement of the fabric and the pose here, so I use it to produce a 6-color option. So option 1 was spiritual kind of fantasy green, then celebrating futuristic guy, then scary demon, and creepy guy, and of course fantasy like frozen magic one. Then I explored the design with different armor and shape, added samurai feel to it, and I thought it moved a bit too far from original creepy steampunk ninja, so I go to this option with 3D using Blender as a model for shading and getting the shapes right, and to finalize the render and stylized art. So this is what we have. Thanks for watching. Bye.